is what nobody tells you about Mother's Day. We see the ads, perfect brunch, beaming kids, overflowing flowers. It looks lovely. But as a husband of over 11 years, the father of three, mental health counselor, I know the picture behind the scene is often more complex. And what moms truly need for their well being goes way beyond a single Sunday gesture. Today, we are peeling back the hallmark layer. We'll touch on some fascinating aspects of motherhood, but more importantly, we will talk about the real needs many moms have and how we can genuinely support them this Mother's Day and beyond. Motherhood is incredible, transformative, and demanding. Let's acknowledge some realities. Okay, the motherhood transition. This isn't just a cute term. It is a significant developmental phase. Like adolescence, psychiatrist Dr. Alexandra Sachs highlights the massive identity shift, hormonal changes, and psychological adjustment. It is fascinating, but also involves anxiety, loss of self, and overwhelm. Acknowledging this normalizes the struggle. Mothers go through incredible things. Women go through incredible things to be mothers. It is amazing to watch. I get to observe that 3 times. So the mental load, this is the invisible work. Anticipating need, planning and organizing and worrying. Research actually shows this cognitive labor disproportionately falls on mothers, of course, contributing significantly to stress and burnout. It is not just doing tasks, it is managing them. Studies published in the journals like the American Sociological Review have explored this gender division of cognitive labor. Then we also have mom guilt. It's very pervasive. Guilt about working, not working, screen time, food choices, the list is endless. Psychology links this to a societal pressure and unrealistic expectation. It chips away at well-being, the need for self-determination. Theory in psychology emphasizes 3 core needs for well-being: autonomy, feeling in control; competence, feeling capable; and relatedness, feeling connected. Motherhood can sometimes challenge autonomy and competence if a mom feels she's lost her individual identity or struggle to keep up. So, what does genuine support looks like? So, what does support that actually boosts mental health looks like? It is less about grand gestures and more about consistent, understanding actions. Let's see, lighten the load. This is huge. Don't just help. Take ownership of specific household or childcare responsibilities. Offer specific, reliable breaks without her having to manage the logistics. Research consistently links lower stress level, reduced cortisol, with better mental and physical health. Reducing her burden directly impact this. Validate her experience. Actively listen. Acknowledge the hard parts without trying to fix them immediately. That's for you guys. For you dads, for you sons. Acknowledge without trying to fix it. You can say things like, that sounds really tough, or I see how much you are juggling. Validation foster connection and reduce feelings of isolation. Champion herself. Encourage and facilitate her hobbies, friendship, career goals, or simply quiet time alone. This isn't selfish. It is essential for maintaining identity and for her to recharge. Help her protect that time. Remember, self-determination theory supports her autonomy. So this is science. I know how everybody loves science. This is scientific. I need you guys to also foster community. Encourage connection with supportive friends or other moms. Social support is powerful buffer against stress, as countless studies in social psychology demonstrate. Now, this Mother's Day, instead of just asking, what gift does she want? Ask, what support does she need? Maybe it is brunch, where you handle all the planning and cleanup. Maybe it is guaranteed uninterrupted hours to herself. Maybe it is a conversation where you actively listen and ask how you can better support her every day. So we're gonna dive deep into specific gift ideas in another video. Okay, That will be in third video coming up, guys. All right. It is so incredibly necessary for us to put the women, the mothers in our lives at the forefront, even if it's just for one day. See, as a husband, I'm constantly learning how to be a better partner at this. As a father, I want my kids to see a model of shared responsibility and mutual support. True appreciation isn't shown in a single day of pampering, but in a consistent effort to see, value, and lighten the load motherhood in our lives. Let's aim for that this Mother's Day. What's one way you can plan to offer genuine support? Share your thoughts below. And if you're a mom watching, feel free to share what really helps you feel supported. Take care. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms doing the amazing hard work every single day. Click on the next video to continue this path. See you next time, guys, in the next video.